You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of these mountains. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting but often confusing names of famous places in the United States, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Ouachita, Ouachita Mountains or Ouachita River in Oklahoma. Ouachita, Ouachita. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support, it helps me immensely. More videos for you here to learn more free correct pronunciations. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.